Hello everybody, I hope you're good. I didn't expect to see myself bringing you an update on Saturday, but things escalated pretty quickly yesterday, and Bitcoin went to the Wick. The guys in the trading course know more about this, but wicks are essentially liquidity imbalances in the chart, and the minimum target is the 50% of the wick, and the second target, the final target, is the 100% of the wick. And Bitcoin filled yesterday the wick exactly to the dollar. You can see now it's ranging over here because it's the weekend. There is not much liquidity across the chart. You guys know all the financial districts are closed, the stocks, forex, the institutions are not trading, they have the day off, they're with their families, so there is not much liquidity. If we go to the daily time frame, let me show you, because I think Bitcoin is at a very critical point. It's right now playing around the daily 50 EMA. What does this mean? It needs to hold it. It needs to hold the CMA, because if it doesn't hold, it's gonna go lower. Simple as that. So this is what I'm gonna be paying attention over the weekend to see if Bitcoin can hold this level, because if not, we'll go lower. I think that this is the most interesting thing in the daily time frame at the moment, and is the daily 50 EMA. So you can see how Bitcoin is right now, slightly above it, but let's see how it's tomorrow and on Monday morning, because this might tell us a lot about the next move. Now, if you go back to the 4-hour time frame, there is something that I'm actually liking here. Well, first is that the wick has been filled fully, so that's one less thing to worry about. And now, something I'm liking are all these wicks over here, because it's telling me that so far they don't want Bitcoin to go lower. So the question is the market maker building his longs in this zone? Maybe to recover part of this large red candle? Maybe. The only concern that I have is that at the moment there are a lot of short positions open, okay? That could trigger a short squeeze. But if you think about those traders that are currently thinking about opening a long position, or have already opened a long position in this area, they have probably set their stop losses in this area, okay? Below all these wicks. So this is basically telling me that I can't discard the idea of Bitcoin doing something like this. This is my quick analysis about Bitcoin, but remember that Bitcoin is usually quite boring at the weekend, so we might see more of a range here still, okay? And tomorrow it's Sunday, so I will post the usual Sunday update on Twitter. I'm also thinking about uploading it to YouTube, so you have it in both formats, in text and in video. And in the Sunday update, I'll go more in depth, and I'll try to find more confluence to support an analysis. Maybe I change my idea and I don't draw this anymore, but this is just my quick view. Let's go now to High Block Capital to see all those liquidations. I want to see how they hit them, and let's see where the liquidity is right now, okay? So remember, this is a very brief idea, okay? Maybe a drop towards 27,000, maybe a bit lower even, because you know they like to play with round numbers, so maybe they could scare us and go to 27,900 or so for a potential bounce. But again, let's go to the high block and let's see what is brewing. This is so amazing to see. 27,400 liquidations hit. Look at that yellow bar. The next one was at 27,100, also hit. And now we can see that there is still some liquidity at 27,000 and 26,900. The question is, are they gonna come lower to come back up, or are they gonna abandon this zone and go to the next one? That's around 25,600, 25,300. That's the high time frame previous resistance that could be tested as support soon. We're gonna go back to the Bitcoin chart in a minute so I can show you that level again. But this is quite interesting. 27,000, 26,900, a lot of liquidations. Remember I was telling you, and it was that Bitcoin right now might be ranging over here, okay, and setting this as the new range. So there might be a lot of longs getting open soon, and their stop losses would be below this zone, so they would match with the liquidations. That means that even if there are no liquidations and there are stop losses, there is going to be a lot of liquidity added to this zone. So 27,000, 26,100 is definitely an interesting zone that might get tested soon. Back to Bitcoin now. I think everything is pretty much set. There might be a bounce from here if this zone holds, but I even like the idea more of a potential stop hunt first before a bounce, okay? But if this zone doesn't hold, which is the daily 50 EMA, okay, then we're gonna go lower to the next zone, and the next zone is the 25,000 zone. Let me show you this. This is what I was talking earlier in high block. I would say around these levels. Well, this is more accurate, to be honest. 25,200. Look at this. There was a sell-off from here, then price went back to this level, another sell-off. Is it possible that Bitcoin comes back to this zone to test it as support? Yes, why not? It hasn't done it yet, so it might do it. So that's everything I wanted to say, guys. You know I like to keep you updated, so I felt the need to plot this video. And today, well, this evening, I'm gonna try to post a thread on Twitter about the 2GR Jules chart, because something is going on there, okay? So, guys, have a very nice weekend. I'll see you tomorrow, probably again on YouTube with the Sunday update. It'll be on Twitter too, and see you soon.